everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and if you don't know, I'm the face, the voice, and the hands behind all the content here under Infiniti Crafting Co. and behind the blog page. So as you guys know, October was a very special month for me because I celebrated my 3 years here on YouTube, which has been the best of times and the worst of times. With learning, the learning curve was really special here. But anyway, as you guys know, I held a little giveaway for basically my whole pattern library up to October 1st. And I announced the winners, whatever. But, you know, sometimes when you run giveaways, you don't always get responses to your emails. So, this was the case with this giveaway. I also did a giveaway the month before, right? So, all of those flopped. All of those flopped. So if you remember the one that I did, was it August? No, September. I think it was early September. Anyway, one I did for early September was for that summer top with the lace and the hooks to make it basically a little pattern kit. And yeah, so I didn't get to give that away either, and I'm just now getting around to redrawing for those giveaways. So I'm going to do that today. Just do me a huge favor. If I email you and you don't want the giveaway prize, just email me back and be like, no thanks, see ya. That helps me out so much. So there's going to be 3 winners today, and I already have my pages pulled up. This was the blog post from when I did that giveaway. And I feel a little tongue-tied because I just got done recording my 19th episode of my podcast that's over on my blog as well, and I felt like I've been rambling for like an hour. So alright, so we are going to pick the first winner. I've already cleaned up the list and whatnots. So alright, fresh faces. Alright, my first winner is Katie S. I don't want to butcher your last name. So you are going to win the crochet pattern kit from September, and I'll pop a little picture up because I'm pretty sure I have one. So now I'm going to do the 2 winners for the thumb drives with my patterns on there, and I actually did the math on them, so it's like $130 worth of patterns on there. Super exciting. Alright, and so the first winner for the thumb drive are Mary from the community and Kim Powell from the community. So you guys both win these thumb drives, and I'll be sending out prize emails later, so keep your eye out on that. Check your junk mail. Sometimes I end up there, unfortunately. And congratulations and happy making.